Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to close a position or how to close positions right here on MetaTrader 5. So if you want to do this, the first thing that you need to do is place a new order. So I will show you real quick how you can do this by clicking on new order and then just click right here on buy. And now if you can see, we created ourselves a order right here. So what we're going to do right now is we close this position, and we can do this simply by clicking right here on the cross. But don't do this immediately. If you do it for the first time, he will ask you, are you sure that you want to close your position? But once you click right there on that you accept the terms and then do OK, if you then after that click here on the cross, he will close your trade automatically. So please keep that in mind. And then right now, if you click here on the cross, you see that we can close our positions like this. So this is how you can close your positions on MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.